Degree of a polynomial. The degree is the highest sum of any one term. Add up the exponents if there is more than one exponent. Constants have a degree of 0, and a constant is a number without a variable. And look for invisible exponents. Invisible exponents are exponents that are present but not always easy to recognize. Find the degree of each monomial. For 12x to the 3, there is only one variable and therefore one exponent, and that exponent is 3, so the degree is 3. For negative 175, remember that a constant is a number without a variable. Since negative 175 does not have a variable, it is a constant. Constants have a degree of 0, so negative 175 has a degree of 0. For the next monomial, add up the two variables' exponents. 2 plus 5 is 7, so the degree is 7. For negative 15x, remember to look for invisible exponents. X has an exponent of 1, and therefore the degree of negative 15x is 1. Add up the exponents, 6 plus 2 plus 7, and this monomial has a degree of 15. Find the degree of each of these polynomials. Remember that the degree is the highest sum of any one term. And terms are separated by either addition or subtraction. So the first polynomial has 3 terms. The degree of the first term will be 8. The second term will be 7. And the third term will be 2. And the degree is the highest sum of any one term, so the degree of this polynomial is 8. There are 2 terms here. The degree of the first term is 11, and the degree of the second term is 10. So the degree of this binomial is 11. There are 3 terms here. The degree of the first term is 14. For the second term, look for invisible exponents. B has an exponent of 1. So 7 plus 1 plus 9 is 17. The second term has a degree of 17. And the last term has a degree of 1. So this polynomial has a degree of 17. This has 2 terms. The degree of the first term is 12. This is b to the 1. So the second term has a degree of 14. So this binomial has a degree of 14. And this polynomial has 4 terms. This is x to the 1. So this term has a degree of 1. This is also x to the 1. This term has a degree of 9. And constants have a degree of 0, and 2 is a constant. So the degree of this term is 0. And the last term has a degree of 7. So this polynomial has a degree of 9.